Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add viral loops participant in Google Sheets. So our objective is whenever a new participant is added in viral loops, we want their details to add automatically in our Google Sheets. For that, we are going to create an integration between viral loops and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use triggers and action. In trigger application, we will be using viral loops. In action application, we will be using Google Sheets. How I'm going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we have viral loops and Google Sheets. And our objective is to add the details of all the new participants added in viral loop in our Google Sheet. We need to automate this process so that it will save my time and energy. So as you know, viral loops is a viral campaigning software. You can use this to create your referral campaign when you are launching something. Now for our objective, we are going to create an integration between viral loops and Google Sheets in such a manner that whenever a new participant is added in viral loops, their details should added automatically in my Google Sheets in this manner. For that, I'm going to create an integration between viral loops and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. For Pabbly Connect, I'll open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take me to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. And if you already have an account with Pabbly Connect, you can just sign in. Now this will take us to this page and these are the tools that Pabbly offers to us. Here we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So for that, I'm going to click here on Access Now under Pabbly Connect. And now it will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. This is the workflow section and you will see all the workflows that you will create here. And this is the folder section and you will create new folders and you can save your workflows on any folder that you want. Now we are going to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on the Create Workflow button and this new window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. I will name it as my objective, which is add viral loop participants in Google Sheets. This is the folder section. I can save my workflow in any folder. I will save it in Home and I will click on Create. And it will take me to the most important window of Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the triggers and action. So these are the main principles on which our workflow works. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is the first step that will happen in our workflow and action will follow that. Now we are going to set up our trigger. For that, I'm going to search for my trigger application, which will be viral loops. I'll search for viral loops. I click here. I'll give my trigger event, which will be new participant. So whenever a new participant will be added in viral loops, it will work as my trigger event. Here we can see this is the webhook URL. Now to connect my viral loop and Pabbly Connect together, I have to copy this webhook and paste it in the viral loop section. For that, you can read this instruction and you can follow all these steps. Now I will copy this link. I will go back to viral loops. Here I will click here on edit. Now I will go to integrations. I'll search for webhooks. Here I will paste the link that I have copied from the Pabbly Connect. I'll click on save. And now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and we can see it is waiting for webhook response. For giving the response, I will create a new participant. For that, I'll open the link. For creating a new participant, I'll give a dummy details here. I'll put the dummy details. So first name will be new. Last name will be participant. I'll give a random phone number. So my email will be newparticipant@pabblytuts.com. I'll click on get started. And it will create a new participant in viral loops. I'll go back to viral loop. I'll open this. I will scroll down. And as we can see, we have added a new participant. First name is new, last name is participant, and email is newparticipant@pabblytuts.com. So now we will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we got this response. The last name is participant, first name is new, the email is newparticipant@pabblytuts.com, random mobile number 90909090. Now what we want is We want these details to add automatically in our Google Sheets. For that, we will set up our action. For setting up our action, I'll open this and search for my action application, which will be Google Sheets. I'll search for Google Sheets. I'll click here. I'll give an action event, which will be add new row. I'll connect my Google Sheets, add new connection, sign in with Google. I'll allow to give access to my account. And I have successfully connected my account with Pabbly Connect. Now I will go back to my Google Sheets. So this is my Google Sheet. I have 4 columns here: first name, last name, email, phone number. The name of my spreadsheet is viral loop participant, and we are using sheet 1. So I will map all these details in Pabbly Connect. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll select the spreadsheet first, which is viral loops participant. And here we can see all these details have changed according to my Google Sheet. So I will map all these details from the webhook response that we get. So I will map the first name first, similarly last name, email, and the phone number. Here I have mapped all these details from the webhook response. So the first name is new, last name is participant, email is newparticipant@pabblytouch.com, and the mobile number is 90909090 and so on. So why I have mapped all these details? Because I want all these details to get exchanged whenever I will get a new response in my webhook. So I will get the new response in real time. So I will click on Save and Send Test Request button. And we got this response. Now we'll go back to my Google Sheet to check the data. And here we can see we got the details that we have filled in my participant form. So the first name is new, last name is participant, email is newparticipant@pabblytouch.com, and the phone number is 9090 and so on. Now we will go back to Pabbly Connect. So our workflow is working successfully and we have created this integration successfully. So whenever a new participant is adding in viral loop, a new row is adding automatically in our Google Sheets. So let's summarize what we did here. First we set up our trigger, and our trigger application was viral loops, and the trigger event was new participant. Then we set up our action, and our action application was Google Sheets, and our action event was add new row. So this has created an integration between viral loops and Google Sheets. And similarly, you can create this workflow by following all the steps that I did here. Thank you.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.